going to look at the open toe foot, and it is the number 4 in your packet. That's the open toe foot, and I just want to put it next to the applique foot so that you can have a little look. So the open toe is totally open, hence the name, and the applique foot only's got a tiny little bit there. You've also got another foot here, and that is the number 29. This time it's a metal foot, and that's also an open toe foot, but this one is slightly smaller. It's a 5mm one. The gap at the back is only 5mm. So if you're doing a slenderer embroidery, then that might be quite a good foot. And if you're doing the wider embroidery, then you can use the plastic foot that has a 7mm gap. And I've tried both of them. Like here you can see if I wanted to put under anything that is wider, it would probably get stuck. So I thought I'd put a ribbon underneath and see how that works, just to check this out. I think that this foot is actually only good for actual embroidery on it, and you would use another foot for applying a ribbon, and that I'm going to show you another time. So watch me struggle as I go over this. That wasn't a good idea because my ribbon is ever so slightly wider. So if you have a ribbon that's really slender, you can do it, but it cannot be the same or slightly wider as the opening. So if you have anything 8mm and I'm having this 7mm gap, then it's too wide, you know, and it kind of pushed over. What it was really good for though was to do a wider embroidery just generally. I thought that worked really well. Now my very basic machine from Pfaff doesn't actually have that much embroidery on it. My electronic one is at the repairs yet again. So I always recommend buy yourself, you know, a mechanical machine. They last, they don't break so often. And that, as you can see, works really well. So as an embroidery foot, I think yet another one, I think they're quite good. So thumbs up for this one. And if you want to get you a set, I think they're incredibly good value. I think it comes out at about $160 per foot. There's quite a number of foot in the pack, 32 altogether. So you can go onto the link in the description box and find Madame So. You can also come and check us out on frocksandfrolics.com and the Academy. We've got loads of videos that go with really nice patterns that I all draft myself. And also there's lots of teaching videos. And I just want to leave you with one of my little advertising clips. And I hope you enjoyed that. And if you want to know a little bit more about Frocks and Frolics, that's quite a good one. So, and I'll see you next week for another sewing machine foot from Madame So. Oh, that feeling when you found that perfect dress in the shop window, go into the shop, check the price label, and it's like biting on a lemon. But wait, what if it didn't have to be that way? What if you could walk out and go, wow, I can actually make this myself? Join the Academy. Let me show you step by step how to put something together, all the way until you have a perfectly finished item. I'm Marina, a professional couture tailor. I have one mission, and that is to help you sew like a pro with a little bit of help and some patience, and hopefully you'll do some silly dancing on the beach soon in something you have made with Frocks and Frolics.